I'm going to be showing you the platforms I use to stream football. These are the three major platforms I use to stream football or sports. Let me use sports in general. So this one is called Soccer 100. So if you click on it to take you to the site, you can see the link. I can drop it in the description box below. So you can watch different live sports and all of that. So let me look for a live game now. I don't know if there's a live game currently here. You can see once it's live, it will be showing you here. So you click on it. This is UEFA Conference. Let me look for something like the UEFA Champions League, Europa League. This is a live one here. Let's click on it. So once you click on it, you go to this place called Streamly. So this Streamly, you see different links where you can use to watch the site, to watch the match. So I prefer this Soccer HD. You can use any one of them, they work, but this one has less ads. So once you just click on it to verify if you are human, I created a whole profile for this. Um, my for watching sports, I named it football. Once you click on it, you can see the match. Click on it, then you can start watching the match live.
Risky one from Scales, and this sigh of relief goes around Celtic Park. Nervousness about the back there for Celtic.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was nearly
clear.
really messy. That would have been a disaster.
I'm I'm just showing you how you can stream the match. So let me go to the other site. You can go to this one. It's called yearlist.net. So I'll put the link also. You can also try score it to it depending on your location. If you click on score it to it as well, then click on score it to it. I'm wait for this one to load. Okay, I've clicked on it even. Score it to it has loaded. Then click on year list. Yeah, you can see score it to it here. So these are live matches. Once you click on the live, it will show you live in location. In case if any of these sites is not working, maybe one of these Streamly, the others will work. So there's another way to watch it there. So let me now go into this year list. You can see there are different things you can do on year list. You can watch movies, animes, manga, live TV. There's almost everything you can do here. So just go to live sports since we are focusing on live sports. So you can just click on the first link. There are so many links once you go to the live sports. So once you go to the first link, then you search for the matches available. See, for example, that Celtic Stuttgart that I clicked in the other post is here. So let me just check another one. So once you click on it, then you click on one of these browse links. I prefer this one. So once you click on it, then you see something like this loading ads. Don't worry, just click on this button, then you put it in full screen.
Smith have never won
So
a
that's all.
match on French soil,
And you
including qualifying
watching your
games
live
too.
spots.
They are edging.
Yeah, so that's all. You watching your live spots. So I hope this video is helpful in case if you want to watch this um, live sports for free. So do it to like, subscribe. I'll give you more tips and stuff like this. So see you in the next one, and can share to people that need it in case so that they can watch the tutorials. So bye for now.